Hello, this table contains top 200 science fiction movies from website Automate Movies Rankings. This is the original website, and here is the table. And I used import HTML formula. First one is URL, and it is linked to A2 cell, which contains the URL. Next one, query list or table. I want to query table, and number of table is 1. I guessed it was number 1. It may be any number of table of all tables in this website. So this was the first table. And this table was imported, but I see there is no ranking, so I guess I'll have to make a rank with my own. Equals row of indirect of A1, comma A, ampersand, count A or count of non-empty cells from column C to C4 to C. Right now this gives me only 1, but I will convert it into array formula, Control Shift and Enter, and also hit Enter. And see, I reproduced this ranking by hand. Oh, it's okay. So I will hide this column, rank with empty ranks, and only leave my real rank made by formula. Let's paint cells with formulas for you. You will download this sample file below the video and see them how they are working. Oh, here it is. Right. Oh, I don't like that this rank is needed to be hide, but I know that my table has some basic columns, so I will make query with it. I have 7 columns here. I'll let it be a query. With this data, and select call 2, call 3, call 4, and so 5. Yes. Oh, now it's okay. I will just adjust cell width. And now I don't need to hide this column because it was already hid by my select close. Select call 2, call 3. So I skipped call 1, and now my formulas are okay. And what the result, what the aim of this video is to look multiple text match. I want to watch for Star Wars movies. So I'll hit star here. This will be our text entry. I'll paint it with green, and let's make the formulas. Formula will be filter. I want to filter ranks and movies names when certain conditions are met. Exactly, regex matching pattern of this text from this column B3 up to B by this regular expression star. And I'll close the formula and see NA, no matches were found. I guess because this star was from uppercase, and I will make our search case insensitive. So this parenthesis and question mark and I is just to make my third case insensitive, and I see result is I got Star Wars, Star Trek, and Starship and others, and I want only Star Wars or Star Trek. Star Wars, it's okay. Pipeline, which means or, and Star Trek. I guess I didn't misspell this. Star Trek. Star Trek. Trek was written with this. So I got all Star Trek and all Star Wars movies rated with their rate, and all this was made with this beautiful filter formula. I'll paint it. Okay, and now let's see how to do this with query. Query doesn't make one condition, so I will do it with two phrases: Star Wars and Star TR, which start of Star Trek. And our query is, now select these two columns from A to B. I'll make them inside curly brackets in order to make them an array. And now I can make query with col1, col2 notation, and so on. I'll select asterisk, select all, where col2 like single quote and Star Wars and single quote, and that's it. Nothing was found. Let's add percentage. Oh, you see that percentage sign means any number in a sequence of symbols. Without them it won't work. And also we need to paste this word with capital word, so it is case sensitive, and we can't make it case insensitive because there is no proper syntax for this. And also I need to add conditions one by one. So if I want to add another condition, I must add go to, like, and this one. So let's do it. Where I'll copy this and another condition is go to like M3, hit enter. Or logic, or Star Wars or Star Trek. Also let's make it with all characters and see the result is the same, but we have also headings because this is query. But I don't like this. I don't like to enter each time like this or like this. I want to make some automation, so I'll add column numbers here, column 2, and this one is also column 2. And let's play with some formulas to make query text for us. Equals, select asterisk, where, well, that was easy, Now I must add go to equals like Star Wars, or go to like Star TR, Star Trek. How we're gonna do this? Now add one condition and then make it an array formula up to second condition. One condition is call, and this is number of column, and like single quote, close sentence, and Star Wars, and close it with single quote. We have go to like Star Wars, and then I'll make it an array formula. I'll expand this range L2 M2 and L3 M3, and hit Ctrl Shift and Enter, and seek two results into cells. Now I would like to join them with OR. I'll use join function, OR, comma, and our array formula inside. And see, this expression was just made for us, and I'll add it with ampersand our query state. This also was my beautifully made formula. Select asterisk where go to like Star Wars or go to like Star Trek, Star TR. Now, instead of doing it manually, here I will just make a link to this query text. So you saw both methods with query given. Work to do. It's not so easy to handle this by query because you need to remember uppercase and lowercase letters. Filter gives us regex match inside of it, and it may be case insensitive, so it may be more convenient in some ways. You may use this or this formula to get a list with multiple matches from your sample data.